Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Sicamous. This time we are visiting Sicamous. It is a small town in British Columbia. It is right on the highway number 1 and very famous for the lake and the houseboat. We are going to spend next 2 days in Sicamous and surrounding area and going to tell you the best things to do and best places to visit. So please continue watching this video and do not forget to subscribe our channel if you haven't yet. So let's start our trip. We are visiting from Calgary. It took us around 6 hours to reach at Sicamous, and our first stop at the Sicamous was Sicamous Public Beach. Right on the beach, there is a rental shop from where you can rent anything like a jet ski, speedboat, even like paddleboat or kayak if you want. It is definitely a one-stop shop for your water activity need, and I'll put the link in the description below. After spending some time at the Sicamous Public Beach, we have drove towards the Sicamous Lookout. To reach at the lookout, you have to drive around 10 kilometers on the unpaved road, but once you are at the viewpoint, you feel that it's definitely worth a drive. It was outstanding view. After that, we have visited the Sicamous Creek Waterfall. It was just 2-minute walk from the parking lot to see an outstanding waterfall. We went to Mulligans for a dinner. It has really nice lakeside patio and the food was really great too. After the dinner, we have walked a little bit around the Marina and then checked into the water. We are staying in the Super 8, very easy check-in and very good location, close to the Marina, rental shop, beach and the restaurants. First stop of our day 2 was the fruit world. It is really good place to get some fresh vegetables and fruit. They have some locally grown and some imported, but the quality of the vegetables and fruits are really great. I highly suggest you to stop by to get some fresh fruits and vegetables. After that, we have visited Calgary's Go-Kart. It was first time for Reva to be in a go-kart, but she just loved it. It was $25 for 2 person for the 15-minute ride. After that, we have visited Dutchmen Dairy. It is very famous for the old-fashioned ice cream. We have tried cherry cheesecake and it was so yummy. I would highly suggest you to stop by the Dutchmen Dairy and to try some old-fashioned ice cream. They also created a tractor run for kids, so kids can play there. And they also have some pet animal like cow, rooster, peacock, goat, so kids can check that out and it would be really fun for them. It was almost lunchtime for us at the Dutchmen Dairy. After that, we have drove towards the Revelstoke, and we are going to stop at a few places between Revelstoke and Sicamous. Our first stop on the way was Malakwa Suspension Bridge. The bridge has really nice suspension and really amazing view of the river and surrounding area. It was a quick stop for us, around like 15-20 minutes. To be on a bridge and then come back. After that, we stopped on the highway to see a waterfall. It was only 2 minutes walk to see an amazing waterfall. After that, we have stopped at the Rutherford Beach. The beach is really nice, very shallow, and the water wasn't that cold, so you can definitely dip in. There were some picnic tables, so you can also just stop to take a break while driving on highway number 1. This was our last stop before we reach at the Revelstoke, and that's all about Sicamous and surrounding area. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.